You guys look good. I suck at filming intros and outros. Shut up! I'm also low-key kind of whispering because there's a lot of people out right now. Because it's really nice out right now. Maybe someone that comes down the road and they're gonna be like, what is this kid doing? But I don't really care. I'm not gonna lie, we had a little bit of a mishap in this video.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna be doing some insane stuff today. You already know, so for today, I got this brand new carbon fiber spoiler for the GTI. It's like an extension to add on to the GTI. Alright, so we're just gonna take this rag and give this thing a little, just gonna wipe it down. This is like one of them ones that you just stick on. You don't have to take the whole spoiler off. The ends on my spoiler are way too... Where'd you put the tape? Where'd you put the tape? The tape they sent me is like white. This tape is like gray. It's not really sticky, really, to be honest. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually essentially I'm gonna keep the middle on because that seems to be holding its stickiness. So I think this is a little bit better. We got bam, bam, and then one on the other side. I know this is very bright. Alright, so I finally got it on. I thought this thing would be boof and it wouldn't like really do much. I think it looks sick. This, you can't see through it, but this is a rear mount strut, aluminum strut. This is a rear diffuser that also has like a protection film on it. So as you guys know, we already put the carbon fiber spoiler on the car. I'm very excited. Now we're onto the diffuser. We have to remove the stock like diffuser. My diffuser's like gray. It's off now. Look, like literally look at this. This is so rough. Like all of this is like literally falling off. I already started ripping this off. I started ripping it off. You go like this. Look, you just simply hold it. Rip the shit out of these clips. Old diffuser. Yeet. By the way, I don't think I mentioned this. This is the ECS tuning gloss black diffuser. I can't wait to put this thing on. You can literally see my reflection in it. Hopefully you can see it. Yes, I'm putting this on with no shoes on. Yes! Like flaming hot Cheetos, baby. Oh, hold on. Let me get my long ass legs out of the way. Look at how sick that... Get the... Yay! Holy shoot! This car looks absolutely fire. Brand new T25 import screws. But these, this strut uses an Allen key. No, I got my... No. Everyone decided to run the mowers. I finally got the strut on. The lawnmower's kind of cleared out. I don't know if you can still hear them. So the sides don't come mounted, so I'm gonna drill mini holes and then just kind of screw them in. I think there's 3. I don't think I'm gonna make 3. I'm gonna make like 2. Go. I'm gonna actually use the new ones, but the stock ones have a point on them, so I'm gonna use rendering. I'm gonna use the stock ones to make sure the hole is like good enough, and then use the new ones. Look at the shine on the new one compared to the old one. So that's the install done. The 2 things in the back combined together make this back end so much more aggressive. And like from the back, I don't know if you can see if this lighting's doing it justice, but it looks so nice. The last and final part going on this is this carbon fiber front splitter. So I just realized this is gonna be a little bit of a process to do the front lip. Update, I got the shield off. Now I gotta get the original front lip off. Oh my, I thought this method would have been like smart. It's not. Gosh. Now it looks like I'm telling a spooky story. Kind of looks weird, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Look at the back with the... Okay. But this thing's definitely gonna be a lot more spicy. What's good, guys? It's your boy, and today we got a pretty exciting video. Yeah, there we go. That's a little bit better. I'll let that warm up, and then we'll put it in the driveway. So I had this problem that I was always like, oh, like this car is so cool. There's not really a lot that's like I hate about it. Obviously, as you guys know, I put the back stuff on, which looks really nice, and I've been loving it. These foggy headlights are getting replaced. I think you can tell in the sun, but it's like super fogged. They're like the Mark 7 style for this car. So they're gonna look so much better. I can't wait to install these. I have to do a couple of things like remove the front bumper, remove the grill, all that fun stuff, and then install them. And yeah, these look super sick. I'm like really excited to do these. If you don't know how to do this, it should be pretty easy. You remove this front grill, then remove the front bumper basically, and then remove the headlights, which are these 4 bolts. All right, so we did our first part. We took off the front grill thingy. You already know, dude, look at our setup. It goes crazy. We got the wheat thins box update on the GTI. So now we have half of the bumper off. I put that towel on it, so then when you're taking off the other side and you're like moving it to get the screws out, you're not scratching this side. So here's the front bumper off. I put the hood back down, pop it back up. Front bumper's off. I put the front bumper back here, front bumper's back here. Hopefully you can see here, look at the difference. Those are the old ones, those are the new ones. I just got the old ones out. Holy crap, the new ones look so much cleaner. We're gonna get these in. It's gonna look super thing. I finally got these 3 bolts in. I don't think they were screwed in like to the correct measurement, to be honest, but I will say what I'm gonna do is for these 2 holes, I'm just gonna drill holes through them and then throw the screws in there, and then it should be good to go back on the car. All right, so the carbon fiber splitter is now on the GTI. I might go grab some towel just so it doesn't, like the front lip does not scrape while I'm putting it down. Essentially, this is the new front bumper. Looks very, very nice. Very, very nice. Got everything back on, except for it's gonna look cool. Like, see? But for now, I'm just so disappointed these headlights didn't work. So I guess I have to return them and find new ones, which this has been an ongoing thing. Like, I've been trying to find highlights for a Mark 6 GTI for probably like around 4 months now. So like, if you guys know some insane like Mark 6 GTI headlights, leave them in the description. All I see when I look them up is the ones for the regular Golf. I'm like, who's buying that? Who's buying regular Golfs out here? The front lip looks insane. It makes the car look super aggressive. Makes it look super aggressive. Now the car is finally done. So I have the front lip on. We got the rear diffuser on. And we got the duckbill carbon fiber on. It looked good. It looks good. From the side. I know I got the wheels turned. I had to get the screws in. That looks good. There we go, sheesh. It's been real, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this isn't the end, then hype. But if you guys have suggestions for Volkswagen Mark 6 GTI sequential headlights, please leave them down in the comments below. I really need recommendations. I've been trying to look for these for so long now. This has gone on for too long. I've been trying way too hard to find these goddamn headlights for this car. If you can find sequentials, awesome. If you can't, that is what it is. I'm literally just looking for cooler looking. I don't really want the OEM ones. I kind of want like cooler ones with sequentials, or I don't know, some cool. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. So let's just do that real quick. Let's get, are you kidding me?